Imagine spending hundreds, maybe thousands on your Google shopping ads, only to realize that your best-selling products aren't even showing up to the buyers. Frustrating, right? In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn Google Merchant Center into your secret weapon. You'll discover trending products, monitor competitors, optimize your pricing, and even test promotions that actually increase your conversions. By the end, you're going to have actionable strategies that you can use to take your shopping ads to the next level, generate more sales and more profits for your e-commerce store. Let's get into it. First, open your Google Merchant Center account. This is basically where all your product data lives, and it's also where you can uncover insights that a lot of store owners completely miss. If you've just uploaded your products, the very first thing you want to do is a quality check. Make sure to look at all your products, or if you've got thousands, start with a solid sample. Make sure your titles are clear and descriptive, your descriptions are easy to read for your customers, your categories are correct, and your GTINs are valid. Why does this matter? Well, Google uses this info to decide which search terms will trigger your products. The more complete and accurate your data is, the more likely you're going to show up for the exact searches that your customers are making. And the bonus? This also boosts your chances of appearing in free listings, not just paid ads. Here's an example. Let's say you sell portable solar charger. At first, your ads might show up for really generic searches like buy charger or buy power bank, which isn't exactly your target audience. But by updating the description with something like ideal for camping, hiking, and outdoor adventures, your products become more visible in relevant searches. They can start showing up for searches like solar charger for camping, reaching the exact audience you want. The key here, don't just stuff in keywords. It needs to read naturally for your customers. But including every relevant detail about your product makes it way easier for Google to match you with the right shoppers. It also helps you capture valuable traffic. Now, this is really just the bare minimum, and a lot of people already talk about this. Today, we're going to go beyond the basics and show you how Merchant Center can actually give you a real competitive edge. Next, let's dive into the Summary tab under Analytics. This is where you can see what products people are actually searching for, spot trends, and uncover opportunities to boost your performance. Under How many of your products are popular on Google, you'll see not only how many of your products are popular overall, you'll also see which categories they fall into. Then, under Your Popular Products, you can see each product category and how many popular products are assigned to it. Let's click on one category. Now you can also filter by popular products. Google ranks these based on how often customers are buying them, and the smaller the number, the higher the product ranks in popularity. This helps you spot trending products and also double check that they're categorized correctly. Okay, now let's click on Out of Stock. Here you can see products that are gaining popularity despite being unavailable. This is huge. If your inventory is low, you now know exactly which products to restock first. For store owners with limited funds, this is a key insight to make smart investment decisions. Now head over to the Suggestions tab. This is where you can discover new product ideas. You'll see which products are trending each month around holidays, Black Friday, post-Christmas, and more. And you don't have to limit yourself to your current category. This is a great way to explore new niches or test entirely new products. Now let's move to what people are searching for in Google and click View All Searches. Watch the trends over time. Notice any spikes? You can use this to run time-specific promotions or tweak your campaigns to capture those peaks. So basically, these tabs give you a clear picture of what your customers are really interested in, and they help you manage your inventory more intelligently. Plus, they can uncover new product opportunities that you might have completely missed otherwise. Now let's dive into the Who Has Similar Visibility tab. And honestly, this is pure gold for competitor research. Here you'll see the big players like Walmart, Target, and Temu. But the real value is looking at stores that are similar to yours, your direct competitors. These are the ones showing up most often near your brand and with a similar size and visibility on Google. You can do really detailed competitor research here. For example, check out their product categories, see how they rank, and spot areas where they're not fully active. That's where opportunities lie. Now, one key metric to pay attention to is ads versus free listings. This shows how often your competitor products appear in ads compared to free listings. For instance, if a competitor has 10 times more ads than free listings, their ratio is 10. Why does this matter? It shows where ad competition is heavy and where there might be gaps. In some categories we've looked at, the page overlap rate is low and the ads to free ratio is small. That means that most competitors aren't running shopping ads there, which is a perfect chance to enter a niche with relatively little paid competition. So basically this tab lets you see both the giants and the smaller players in your space. It also helps you understand where the opportunities are, and it lets you plan smarter ad and product strategies. Okay, let's now head over to the pricing tab. Under Sale Price Suggestions with highest performance impact, click on View Price Insights. This is hands down one of the most important areas in Merchant Center. Here you can compare your prices against competitors and spot the biggest gaps. If you see your price is way higher than the benchmark, dig a little deeper. Is your competitor just running a temporary sale, or is that their normal price? If it's permanent, figure out how they can afford it. Sometimes it's genuine efficiency. Other times it's a site willing to lose money just to grab market share. If your margins allow it, you can test a special offer or promotion just for shopping ads. But whatever you do, don't fake a discount. If your sale price is still higher than your competitor's everyday price, shoppers will notice and your trust will take a hit fast. And if a product just can't compete in price, it might not be worth advertising at all. Or you might want to hold off until that aggressive competitor's push in the market cools off. We monitor this for our clients every week. And whenever they adjust prices where possible, we almost always see a quick bump in sales. Remember, shoppers compare price, trust, and shipping speed instantly, so staying competitive here is absolutely crucial. And finally guys, let's check out the Promotions tab. The insights here are really helpful for understanding how your special offers are performing on your shopping ads. If you scroll down, you'll see which products benefit most from promotions and what type of offers your audience engages with the most. This is especially useful if you're working with a limited budget, because it helps you focus your ad spend on what really counts. It's also perfect for planning seasonal sales like Black Friday or post-holiday promotions. By testing promotions here, you can make smarter decisions on which products to highlight. You can also decide which offers to run and how to boost conversions. And you can do all of this without touching the pricing on your main site. So there you have it guys. Google Merchant Center isn't just a place to upload your products. It's a treasure trove for insights for trends, competitor research, pricing strategy, and promotions. Used the right way, it can give you a real competitive edge, even with all the automations in Google Ads. Let me know in the comments which Merchant Center insights you've found most useful, or what's been the biggest challenge with your shopping campaigns. My team and I, we review all your comments, we try to answer them the best we can, and we use many of them for ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Make sure to check out our other videos. This one here might be especially useful for you.